The new second-generation 2024 Mercedes GLC Coupe emerges more stylish and practical than its predecessor. With athletic lines accentuated by a sloping roofline and muscular fenders, it retains the sleek coupe-like profile that distinguishes it from the standard GLC SUV. Up front, the signature Mercedes grille and LED headlamps cut a striking visage, but the new model really makes a statement with the standard-fit AMG Line package, with body-colored wheel arches and aggressive bumpers that give it a honed, sporty look. Under the hood, Mercedes has opted for a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4-matic all-wheel drive. While not blisteringly quick, it delivers smooth, linear power ideal for comfortable cruising. New for 2024 is a 48-volt mild hybrid system that fills in the gaps during acceleration while helping boost efficiency. That extra efficiency allows the GLC Coupe to offer a useful increase in cargo space, up 1.6 cubic feet to 19.2 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Fold them flat and you get a maximum capacity of 52.6 cubic feet, which is 3.1 cubic feet bigger than before. It's a practical improvement that makes an already versatile coupe SUV even more livable. The interior is where the GLC Coupe really outshines its predecessor. Front and center is an all-new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with crisp graphics and easy-to-digest information displays. Beside it sits an 11.9-inch center touchscreen running the latest MBUX infotainment software. MBUX learns driver habits and adapts its suggestions over time. It also offers natural voice control for commands and questions in plain language. Standard leather seats are comfortable up front, though rear legroom remains limited due to that swooping roofline. Heating and ventilation functions are optional. Ambient interior lighting sets the mood, while the optional Burmester audio system provides a 15-speaker surround sound experience. The overall look and feel is modern and upscale. On the safety front, the new GLC Coupe introduces the latest Mercedes driver assistance systems. Active Distance Assist maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, even bringing it to a complete stop and moving again as traffic dictates. Active Steering Assist provides semi-autonomous support to keep the SUV centered in its lane. Evasive Steering Assist can guide the GLC Coupe around pedestrians or obstacles automatically. Of course, standard safety tech like automatic emergency braking remains. Out on the road, the GLC Coupe feels responsive and secure. The suspension smooths out imperfections, and road and wind noise are nicely suppressed. The powertrain delivers all the power you need for merging and passing, though the mild hybrid assist during acceleration is almost imperceptible. The 4-matic system maintains grip and control. While not the sportiest crossover out there, it handles winding roads with poise. The 2024 Mercedes GLC Coupe starts at $58,150, a reasonable bump from the outgoing model considering the added standard equipment and increased cargo space. Stepping up to the luxurious pinnacle trim at $63,350 brings more exclusive touches like heat-insulating glass, augmented navigation displays, and a head-up display. It's a stylish, comfortable, and capable luxury SUV alternative packed with the latest Mercedes safety and technology. For someone wanting practicality and elegance in a distinctive package, the 2024 GLC Coupe makes a compelling choice. It continues to stand apart in a crowded luxury crossover segment with its eye-catching profile and user-friendly cabin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.